going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a quiz to your Shopify store, and so let's get right into it. Now, what we're going to be using is an app called Quizify, so we're going to search for in apps. Excuse me, I misclicked. Go into apps and search for Quizify, written just like so, and then search in the Shopify App Store. Once you search that, you will get this page, and it should be somewhere here, and I for some reason can't find it. I did find it on the internet a moment ago, so let me just pause and search for that. Alright, so I have found it on Google, so I would just recommend you go to Google and search for it. As you can see, it's on the Shopify App Store. I don't know why it didn't appear in that other tab, but we're going to just click install, and that's going to open up a new dashboard window. Once that's done, it's going to ask us to confirm that we want to install it, and once we do confirm it, it's going to install it very quickly. It should take no more than a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's just buffering right now, but it should be finished within a second or two. I'm really not sure why this is taking so long, but here we go. And once that's done, it'll be installed, and here you can create a quiz through the quiz builder. Now, as you can see, you can just create your first quiz and just click start quiz, and you can then start creating whatever you want. And as you can see, you can select a template, you can start with a blank, do whatever you want, but it's pretty self-explanatory, and that is how you can build a quiz and integrate it into your Shopify store. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.